Ordinary screwdrivers all have the same problem. You have to hold the screw. Not anymore. The Worx SD driver with automatic screw holder holds the screws for you. Drive screws with one hand, even above your head or in hard-to-reach places. Keep up to 6 bits on board and switch between them with the slide action. It's all powered by a lithium-ion battery that stays charged for up to 18 months. Need an extra hand? You've got it. The Worx SD driver with automatic screw holder. Get yours today.
Having a powered screwdriver around the house is convenient, but finding bits for it can slow you down.
Get ready for a new spin. Rotobit 4V Max Storage Screwdriver. Rotating onboard storage keeps bits right where you need them. Always ready convenience, lightweight, compact, and built-in LED to help light your way. Rotobit 4V Max Storage Screwdriver.
The HammerHead 4V rechargeable screwdriver is kind of like the Swiss Army knife of screwdrivers. Sure, you can zip in or remove a screw with ease, but you can also light an area, strip and bend wire, and detect a live circuit all in the palm of your hand. The HammerHead 4V rechargeable screwdriver has a forward-reverse ring that activates with a simple twist. Once activated, the LED lights turn on, illuminating your work. When not in use, the spindle locks and can be used like a manual screwdriver. A circuit sensor is located at the front of the tool. Press the voltage detection button and place the sensor within 1 inch of a switch, outlet, cord, or fixture to see if it is live. A light and a buzzer will let you know if electricity is present. An integrated wire stripper makes short work of taking off an insulation sleeve, and wires can be bent using the bending slot on top. Take the guesswork out of any electrical project and use a rechargeable screwdriver that just does more. The HammerHead 4V rechargeable screwdriver. HammerHead. Works smarter.
When you're trying to get things done, nothing is more frustrating than working where it's hard to reach or where you can't see. Till now, meet the Cordless Flipout, an incredible power driver. It's compact to get into tight spaces other drivers can't, yet drives with the same power and torque as much larger tools. But here's the real magic. With Flipout, you'll always come at your work from just the right angle. Flipout delivers torque and power using a design based on industrial robots. There are 3 pivoting joints. The top one pivots to reach into tight spots. The middle joint lets you reach around or over. And the third joint gives you all this flexibility with 360 degrees of rotation. The result? Flipout locks into over 380 positions, giving you power in tight spots, power in hard-to-reach spots, power where you need it. Flipout gets the job done. Use a drill driver at the wrong angle and you'll quickly strip screws. But Flipout adjusts to drive screws straight on. And with the drill driver, you just don't have control for RTA furniture. But Flipout's variable speed switch gives you the touch you need to assemble furniture quickly. Flipout runs on a built-in 8-volt max lithium-ion battery. And you can fully recharge it in just 45 minutes. And even if it sits for a full year, Flipout still holds its charge. And maybe the best thing about the Flipout is it only weighs 1 pound. So whether you're working in hard-to-reach places on electrical or plumbing, or just need a powerful driver around the house, Flipout is a tool for you.